Hot and sour soup is a traditional Han food belonging to Sichuan or Hunan cuisine. Sichuan hot and sour soup is characterized by sour, spicy, salty, fresh, and fragrant. Drinking it after meals can sober up alcohol, remove greasiness, and aid digestion. Therefore, many people miss the delicious taste of hot and sour soup when they don't have much appetite. According to CNDZYS.com, hot and sour soup is the protector of menopause, prevents cardiovascular disease, reduces the chance of breast cancer, is an anti-vascular substitute for milk, and is beneficial to the growth and development of the brain. It can also protect the liver, prevent arteriosclerosis, prevent cancer, and delay aging. Let's use the hot and sour seasoning packets to make a simple family version of hot and sour soup at home today. Sour spicy seasoning powder, tomato, tofu, enoki mushrooms, black fungus, eggs, tomato cut into small pieces, sliced black fungus, enoki mushroom cut into sections, chopped mushrooms, sliced tofu, crack eggs into bowl and beat until frothy. Add 3.5 cups of water and put into boiled. Add seasoning powder. Add all ingredients. Once boiled, season with 1 tsp light soy sauce and 2 tsp black vinegar to taste. Add tofu. Slowly pour egg liquid and let it solidify. Thicken soup with cornstarch water. Off flame and drizzle sesame oil. Soup pour into soup bowl. Appetizing sour spicy soup is done. It's easy and delicious to make with seasoning powder. It's rich with ingredients with every bites. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Regular consumption of tofu can nourish the skin, muscles, and hair, making the skin moist, tender, and elastic, the muscles plump and strong, and the hair black and shiny, making people stay youthful. Black fungus is rich in plant collagen, which has a strong adsorption effect and can dissolve and oxidize indigestible foreign matter such as grain husk, hair, sand, etc., that are inadvertently eaten. LDL, eating tomatoes every day is beneficial in reducing serum lipid peroxides and low-density lipoprotein LDL oxidation levels. The antioxidants in tomatoes can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Enoki mushrooms contains a complete set of essential amino acids for the human body, especially lysine and arginine. It has a good effect on enhancing intelligence, especially the height and intellectual development of children. It is known as the wisdom-enhancing mushroom. Enoki mushrooms can inhibit the increase in blood lipids, lower cholesterol, and prevent and treat cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.